This isn't every rainstorm. People don't know how to drive this. It's not really raining that hard. And it's still sunny. It's a little windy. I don't know if you can tell. But it's not really raining that much. And yet people freak out. This is considered a big storm. Which frankly cracks me up. And this is for my mama, because she wanted to experience storms, and of course she's gonna get it. You can sort of see above us, there's the rain cloud. And then that's all the water collecting. Yeah. That's pretty much it. There's sort of some thunder, there's some wind. The other night there was lightning, but this is part of the rain.